In this video, I'll walk you through how to find and delete your account history on Instagram, step by step, so you can keep your profile clean and updated. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're inside, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Now, look at the top right corner and tap the 3 horizontal lines to open the menu. From the menu, under the section called How You Use Instagram, tap on your activity. Inside the activity section, scroll down carefully and look for account history. Then tap on it to open your history details. Now at the top of the screen, you'll see a drop-down option called Update Type. Tap on it. From the list that appears, select Bio. This will filter and show only your bio-related changes. Once selected, tap on Apply, so Instagram loads your bio history data. You'll now be able to see all the changes you've made to your bio over time, neatly listed in one place. If you want to clear it completely, simply tap on Clear All at the top of the screen. A confirmation may appear. Just confirm it, and your bio history will be removed from your account activity, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.